Alright, let's look at the homework 9.2, problem number 9. Alright, so we want to use the Euler's method with step size 0.1 to estimate f of 1.5 and for this initial value problem. Alright, let's do that. Alright, I'm going to use the GeoGebra, so bring out the GeoGebra. And I don't really need the graphics window, so I'm gonna just close that. And then, but I'm gonna use a spreadsheet for this one. Right? So I have a spreadsheet here. Right. So first thing I would do is I'm going to set the step size. So h is going to be equal to 0.1, and hit enter. Right. H is the step size. And also a function capital F of x comma y. This is just the right hand side of the differential equation. So it's a 3y plus 3xy. So 3y plus 3x times y. Alright, so hit enter. Alright, so it's defined. Alright, then the initial value is x equals 1 and y equals 1. So I'm going to put the 1 here and also 1 there. Alright. Then, so step size 0.1. So we need to, let's see, for this one, and I'm going to click on this guy so that we can type in a formula. So formula would be, previous value would be A1. Then you add h, so add a step size there. Alright, then I'm going to right click and copy that formula, and then I'm gonna just paste it down to here. Alright, so up to 1.5. Right here. Alright, so I have to do the Euler's method formula here. So I'm going to, this is going to be equal to, alright, so I'm going to take a b1, so that's the previous y value, then plus step size h times f of, alright, and previous x value would be a1, then previous y value is b1, then hit enter. Alright, then I'm going to copy this formula, and then I'm going to paste it there. Alright. So you can see that here this is x1 and y1, and this is x2, y2, and so on. And when x is equal to 1.5 and y of 1.5 is approximately 12.58. So we type in 12.58. Actually rounded to 4 decimal places, so we have to actually dig a little bit deeper. So we can go to option and rounding and 4 decimal places. Right, so it's going to be at 12.5844. Right, then I'm going to check the answer. Right, it's actually submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.